Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a gorilla transfer effect. So let me show you what the gorilla transfer effect is. So it looks as if the gorilla takes the humans and move away. So for this, you'll have to go to higgsfield.ai. Then once you've gone to the website, sign in or create an account if you do not have one. Then select the visual effects here. So after selecting the visual effects, just go to the gorilla transfer here, click on it. You'll be brought to a page like this. Then click on generate, and then you will be taken to a page like this where you can actually upload the picture you want to add these effects to. Describe what you want to see, and you can leave this model as it is or choose a different model if you want. Then click on generate. Within a few minutes your video should be ready for download. So after viewing, you can download it in this area. This is a video of me of what I've done using this particular AI. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow guys.